The future of video editing is here. Imagine a world where creating stunning videos is as easy as writing a document. No more struggling with complex software or spending hours trying to perfect a single frame. The future is now, and it's more exciting than ever. Creating engaging videos is crucial in today's digital world. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or just someone who loves to share moments with friends and family, video is the most powerful medium to tell your story. But let's face it, traditional video editing can be a real headache. But video editing can be daunting for many. The steep learning curve, the endless timelines, and the confusing tools can make anyone feel overwhelmed. That's where Descript comes in. Descript is a game changer. It uses the power of AI to make video editing simple and accessible to everyone. Imagine having a smart assistant that understands your needs and helps you every step of the way. With Descript, you don't need to be a tech wizard to create amazing videos. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, Descript's intuitive interface and AI-powered tools empower you to create professional-looking videos effortlessly. The software is designed to be user-friendly, so you can focus on your creativity rather than getting bogged down by technical details. Say goodbye to complicated timelines and confusing tools. Descript makes video editing a breeze. With features like automatic transcription, text-based editing, and seamless integration with other platforms, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. This ultimate guide will walk you through everything you need to know about mastering Descript. From basic edits to advanced techniques, you'll learn how to harness the full potential of this revolutionary software. Step-by-step tutorials and helpful tips will ensure you get the most out of your video editing experience. Get ready to unlock your video editing potential with the magic of AI. With Descript, the possibilities are endless. Transform your raw footage into polished, professional videos that captivate your audience. The future of video editing is not just about making things easier, it's about unleashing your creativity and bringing your vision to life. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of Descript and discover a new way to create videos that stand out. Getting started with Descript, your first steps. Descript is a powerful tool designed to make video editing and transcription as seamless as possible. Ready to dive into the world of Descript? Whether you're a seasoned editor or a complete beginner, Descript offers an intuitive experience that caters to all skill levels. Getting started is quick and easy. The sign-up process is straightforward, ensuring you can get to work without any hassle. Head over to the Descript website and sign up for a free account. Simply click on the sign-up button, fill in your details, and you're good to go. You'll be greeted by a clean and user-friendly interface ready to unleash your creativity. The layout is designed to be intuitive, making it easy to navigate through various features. Once you've signed up, you'll be taken to your Descript dashboard. This is where the magic happens. The dashboard is your command center, giving you access to all the tools you need. This is your central hub for managing all your video projects. You can organize your work efficiently, ensuring that everything is in its right place. From here, you can create new projects, access your existing ones, and explore Descript's powerful features. Whether it's editing, transcribing, or collaborating with others, Descript has got you covered. Dive into the various tools available and start bringing your creative visions to life. Dive into your project audio or video. Descript offers flexibility for your creative needs. You can choose between starting an audio-only project or diving into video editing. For podcasts or audiograms, the audio-only option is perfect. If you're working with visuals, select a video project. Don't worry, you can easily switch between audio and video editing modes within your project if needed. Descript adapts to your workflow, allowing seamless transitions between different media types. Descript on your computer, download and install. While Descript works seamlessly in your web browser, having the desktop app offers enhanced features and offline access. Visit the Descript website and download the app for your operating system. Installation is straightforward. Follow the on-screen instructions and you'll have Descript ready to use on your computer in no time. The magic of transcription: edit video like a text document. One of Descript's most impressive features is its AI-powered transcription. Upload your video and Descript will generate a highly accurate text transcript in minutes. This opens up a whole new world of video editing possibilities. Now you can edit your videos simply by editing the text. Want to remove a sentence from your video? Just delete it from the transcript. Descript will automatically update the video accordingly, saving you time and effort. Silence is golden, removing gaps and filler words. We all use filler words like and ah when we speak. In everyday conversations they're natural, but in videos, they can be distracting. Descript makes it incredibly easy to remove these unwanted sounds. The AI identifies and highlights gaps and filler words in your transcript. With a single click, you can delete them. Descript seamlessly stitches the remaining audio together, resulting in a polished and professional sound. B-roll like a pro. Enhance your videos instantly. B-roll footage is essential for creating engaging and dynamic videos. Descript simplifies the process of adding B-roll to your projects. Simply drag and drop your B-roll footage onto the timeline where you want it to appear. You can easily trim and adjust the timing of your B-roll footage directly on the timeline. Descript also offers various transitions to choose from, allowing for smooth and visually appealing cuts between your main footage and B-roll. Organize with scenes and layers. Keep your project tidy. As your video projects grow more complex, organization is key. Descript's scenes and layers feature helps you manage your project efficiently. Divide your video into separate scenes, each with its own timeline. Layers allow you to stack multiple audio and video tracks on top of each other. This is useful for adding background music, sound effects, or voiceovers without cluttering your main video track. Polish your masterpiece effects, music, and captions. When it comes to creating a video that truly stands out, the finishing touches can make all the difference. Descript offers a range of tools to enhance your videos further. These tools are designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for both beginners and experienced editors to elevate their content. Add transitions, adjust the audio levels, and apply color correction with ease. Transitions can help your video flow smoothly from one scene to the next, while adjusting audio levels ensures that your sound is clear and balanced. Color correction can make your footage look more professional and visually appealing. You can also choose from a library of royalty-free music and sound effects to set the mood for your video. Whether you need a dramatic score, a cheerful tune, or subtle background noise, the right audio can enhance the emotional impact of your content. Captions are essential for accessibility and can also boost your video's reach. They ensure that viewers who are deaf or hard of hearing can follow along, and they can also be helpful for people watching in noisy environments or those who prefer to watch without sound. Descript's AI can automatically generate captions for your videos, saving you time and ensuring your content is accessible to a wider audience. This feature not only makes your videos more inclusive, but also helps improve engagement and retention by making your content easier to understand for everyone. The power of Overdub AI-generated voiceovers. Need a voiceover for your video but don't have the time or resources to record one? Descript's Overdub feature has you covered. Overdub allows you to create realistic AI-generated voiceovers using your own voice. Simply record a few minutes of your own voice, and Descript will learn your vocal patterns and style. You can then type out the script for your voiceover, and Overdub will generate the audio using your own voice. Sharing your creation. Exporting your video. Once you're happy with your video, it's time to share it with the world. Descript makes exporting your video simple. Choose from a variety of popular video formats and resolutions to suit your needs. You can directly upload your video to platforms like YouTube and Vimeo without leaving Descript, or you can save the video file to your computer to share it however you like. Descript, your AI video editing ally. Descript is revolutionizing the world of video editing with its AI-powered tools and intuitive interface. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, Descript empowers you to create professional-looking videos with ease. Embrace the future of video editing and unlock your creative potential with Descript. Start creating engaging and impactful videos today.